Hello, welcome back. Nice to see you. Even though I can't see you. Today, we are going back to 1980, 81, 81-ish with Astro Wars. Yes, Astro Wars. The arcade game in your hand. I made that up just now. Isn't it good? Yeah. This one, it's not powering up, so we need to take a look. We need to get this working again, because these are great. So without further ado, see how my accent's going better. Without further ado, let's get into it. So let's take a look at Astro Wars. These were so cool back in the day. Now this one isn't powering on, allegedly. We're going to prove that either right or wrong right now. So these are four C-size batteries. What's that? 6, isn't it? Yeah, 6 volts. I'm just going to switch that. I'm going to turn this now up to 6. Oh, straight away 6. No, nothing. Right, I'm turning it off immediately because I have done one of these before. And when I switched it on, it started smoking. Yeah, so it's definitely not doing anything. What was that clicking? Turn it off, turn it off. Look. Whoa. Oh, that's not good. So let's take them apart. Ah, there we are. So there's the doobry what's it? Can't think of the name. Here we have the gubbins. That's the official term, the gubbins. The gubberoonies. Oh, I've almost... definitely been apart, because there's a screw missing in there, look. Ew. It's always a bit of a moment because you don't know if you're dealing with an actual problem or somebody else's mess up, really. So the power comes in through here. Across here, obviously. Into here. I'm going to plug it back in again. See if it gives me the smoke signals like it did before. Boom, boom. Don't know what that was about. Don't know what that was about. 4, 5, 6. No. It's not giving me the same indications as it did last time. I say it. It wasn't this one. It was another one. Let's put him back on then. Sack the juggler. It's 5.87 volts there. Let's nudge him up a bit. 6.50 volts there now. So plus 6 in here. Oh yeah, because it's going to come through here, so it needs that joint, doesn't it? Of course it does. Silly boy. There it is. So power there. Nope. So it comes across here. So the 6 volt is that on here, the furthest one. That comes to here, into this capacitor. Oh, wait there. What is that? You tip that up and get you in. Could be nothing, could be something. On this transistor here, what's this? Don't know what that was. I doubt it's going to make a difference though. Right, these are known to be a weak point, and one of these diodes is known to be a weak point, and I can't remember which one. So I'm going to get that out first. This transistor, and we can test it and rule it out. Process of elimination, isn't it? Right. Isn't it, boy back? Ow, ow, ow. They're still quite hot. Bam, 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 bam. Ooh. It could be this. Let me try again. Yeah, it's coming up as a capacitor now. Yeah, that has failed. That's one of the failures anyway. Do you know what? I had a pack of these as well. I think I can find them. I'll tell you what I found. I found this tip 41C. Now, it looks old, but it is not. It's actually brand new. I put it in a receiver, thinking that that was part of the problem, and it wasn't. Some major other problems. So the owner said, "I'll scrap it." So I did. But I took all these out because they were new. So just going to check the pin out. Now there we are. So two. So it's 1 BCE. BCE. Lovely. There we are. That's all I needed. Put that in there if I can. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to snip the bent part of the legs off, I think. Let's get him soldered in and see where we go. Okie doke, let's see where we go with that then. It's not done the trick. Oh. Yes! Get in there. That is amazing. Put that under there so I can prop it up. Right, press start. Oh, it's much clearer now. Oh yes. I had him. Come on, my boy. Oh, I gotta move. He's gonna have me in. I got him again. And again. Oh my word. So there we are. He is fixed. Oh, I love these things. I'm keeping this one. I've done one before, as I said. I should have kept it, but it was in a box and everything. That's pure collector material, and I sold it on, and the person's very happy with it. This one didn't come in a box, even though it's in good nick. It's really in good nick. It hasn't got a box or anything. This is going to stay with me, because I do kind of regret selling the last one. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget now, come on now, hit that subscribe button, press the bell notification, like the video, and comment down below. Whatever you want to comment, just talk shit. I do. Don't worry about it. But I'll see you in the next video. But until then, take it easy. And remember, we fixed Astro Wars. Yeah!